Welcome once again. It seems like everywhere we go these days, and whenever we watch TV or listen to the radio, whether it be with siblings, children, friends, here at the parish, on the news, it seems like the number one topic of conversation these days is, when am I going to receive the vaccination? And so, because it's on our minds and because it's so important for keeping us healthy and safe and for restoring our lives somewhat to normalcy, I want to offer this prayer having to do with the coronavirus vaccination. Please pray it with me. With gratitude and thanksgiving to the healer of repairable hearts and restorer of brokenness, appreciation and thanks for inspiring the medical teams and scientists, granting them the wisdom, knowledge, and expertise to prepare this vaccine for all of us. May it be your will that with my vaccination, I will be granted the ability to heal and keep safe humankind, and be granted the privilege to fulfill the mitzvah, the religious good deed of one who saves a life. Blessed are you, healer of all who are sick. Amen.